this is gonna be a different video. I bought my own electric tool set. I bought this with my own monies from working. And yeah, it's Ryobi, 6 tools in one. And I don't have a knife. I'm just gonna use this. I'm not really gonna talk to y'all because I'm just gonna savor my moments like a normal person. Instead of talking to cameras 24/7, because that's weird. TV stand to open it up. It's funny. Oh yeah. There it all is. It's in the tool bag. Oh my god, this thing's fucking heavy. That's the end of that box. Surprising how 6 tools can fit in here, plus the batteries and the charger. And here we go, here's the batteries first. Oh no, this is the flashlight. Oh, they all smell so good. Flashlight. What is this, the impact? Yes it is, that's the impact. Oh, that's nice, I actually like that. Instruction manual, I don't need that shit. Then the standard, oh no, that's the hammer drill for impact. Then we have the circular saw, pretty fucking dope. Bunch of cardboard. Have a Ryobi blade for the circular saw. This I think is the, nope, it's the vibrating saw. I thought this was the sawzall first, but no, I actually see that now. Here's one of the batteries. Here's another one of the batteries. Tried bouncing around a lot because I'm filming in my bed, but I don't really give a fuck. This should be the, yep, it's the charging dock. Pretty fucking sweet if you ask me. And then finally, the sawzall. Look at that. That's sexy. And there should be, there's some saw blades in here, but I already got a couple. And I got this nice tool bag. So, let's peek. Thanks for watching.